everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
the topic that is function of thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormones control the metabolism of our body. The main function is to control the growth rate as well, and obviously it also controls the metabolic activity. It controls the specific function of our body as well. Now, what happened? The thyroid hormone. If I talk about growth, so basically in children, hyperthyroidism. If there is hyperthyroidism in children, the rate growth is greatly retarded, and the rate of growth is greatly affected. Okay, the skeletal growth will be faster. Will be rapid in will be rapidly occur, and if I talk about brain development, it will also help. The thyroid hormone will also help in the development of brain as well in the early period of fetus. Now growth bhi ho gaya. Now another is metabolic activity. Now carbohydrate metabolism. If thyroid hormone is acting, carbohydrate metabolism increases, due to which glucose level increases in the blood. Fat metabolism increases, due to which lipids will increase. Protein metabolism causes muscle mass to decrease. Okay, muscle will be decreased. Okay, and if I talk about thyroid hormone regarding related to the CVS, cardiovascular system, so what happened? The heart rate will increase. There will be increased blood flow due to vasodilation. The heart's strength will be increased, as well as the respiratory rate will also be increased. And if I talk about vitamins, so obviously when thyroid hormone releases, it causes vitamins. It causes the requirement. It causes the requirement of the vitamins as well. And due to thyroid hormone, there will be decrease of the body weight. Why? Because obviously fatty acids are broken down, and the most important function is before we move towards the most important function. The point is thyroid hormone also control digestion. Okay, and if it increases, so basically thyroid hormone controls digestion, and if it increases, it causes diarrhea, and if it increases thyroid hormone level, the level of thyroid hormone increases, that means hyperthyroidism, so that will cause diarrhea. And if it decreases, the thyroid hormone decreases, it will cause constipation. So basically thyroid hormone will affect the digestion as well, and it also affect the sleep rate as well. Now the thing is, the most important function is it controls, and the thyroid hormone needs to be normal for the normal sexual life. Because if I talk about men, the gentleman, if there is lack of thyroid hormone, it causes loss of libido. Okay, if in man there is a lack of thyroid hormone, it causes loss of libido. And if there is lack of thyroid hormone in women, what happened? It causes menorrhagia, and due to which there will be excessive menstrual bleeding. So this is very important. So in short, if I repeat it, if I give a recap of this whole scenario, what happened? Thyroid hormone controls the sexual life, it controls sleep, it controls digestion, it controls heart rate, it controls respiration, it controls the blood flow, and it controls the metabolic activity of our body as well. So thyroid hormone should be normal, so that all the functions of our body should be in a normal state. Till then, this was the whole topic regarding thyroid hormone. Till then, work hard, study hard, and good luck. Bye bye. Thank you.